Shout out. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Thank you so much for tuning in. Sa lagi po niyong suporta sa akin. Thank you so much. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa ating kakantahin this time. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for tuning in. You are my reason to live. All I would give just to have you adore. Search the sky, till all the seas ran dry, and then I'll worship you. Till the tropic sun grows cold, till this young world Yan, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for tuning in. Maraming salamat po. Sana magustuhan po yung ating mga kanta. Just to have you adore me. Till the moon deserts the sky, till all the seas ran dry, and then I worship you. This is our second song. today. Young boys roll, everybody seems to have time to devote to me. Everyone is so old for me. Once upon a time, main attraction couldn't buy a seat. The celebrities were trying to meet. I had every accolade bestowed on me, and so you see, I never sing another song. It shouldn't bother me. I have my share. Oh, baby, you know my name. I never sing another or take another vow. I will be fine. I'm not sure how. Always supposed had to love it all. So you had to learn to act if you love it all. Everything I need, the world is afforded. Once upon a time, dreams and patience, and I never will get a scrapbook full of quotes I can't recall about. Every time so world belong to me, and so you see, I never sing another song. It shouldn't bother me. I'd have my share. Oh, baby, you know my name. I'd never sing another song or take another vow. I will get by, but I'm not sure how. La 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 la. Sorry ha. Emotional ako sa mga sakit. Ayan ka na. Patay ba? Sorry. Thank you so much for tuning in. Maraming salamat sa lagi ng support. Thank you so much. Pasensya po kayo ha. Naging emotional lang po ako. Naiyak ko rin. Ewan ko, bigla na lang yun. Thank you so much. Sana hindi po kayo masawa sumuporta sa aking mga cover song. Thank you so much.